How y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. Oh, what a pretty day, what a pretty day. I'm about to freeze my tushy off. It was like 28 degrees here this morning. I was teasing Dana Batchel the other day up there in Sebago, Maine about it being, 80 degrees. Well, only thing constant around here is the change in the weather. It changes all the time. If you don't like it today, wait till tomorrow. We'll have something different. Oh, it's not too bad right here in the sunshine, but I step over there in the shade. It's burr cold. Anyway, what I want to talk to you about today is I want to show you one of the least expensive ways to provide full spectrum lighting to your indoor house plants and or seedlings. And I do want to tell you that for doing your seedlings, just to get your seeds to sprout, you don't have to have full spectrum lighting. Cool white fluorescent light bulbs will work just fine. But let's go in the house here and let me show you what I'm talking about. I don't buy new cars, I don't buy brand names, I go to Goodwill for my clothes. I like to save money, I like to find bargains, it's the life I chose. I throw nothing away, I'll find a use another day for all this junk I keep. My neighbors all hate me, they abuse and berate me, 'cause I like doing it cheap. Yeah, I like doing it cheap. Welcome to another episode of Doing It Cheap. This is April the 8th, so it's a week after Easter, Sunday after Easter. And these plants doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. There's my cherry tomatoes. And then this was planted last night. What we're going to hopefully get to come up in here is going to be some marigolds. I do companion planting. I plant marigolds between or next to every tomato plant that I put out, and that way I don't have to use a bunch of pest control stuff. I try to do it natural, and the bugs can't stand marigolds. Alright, well this light here is just, got one bulb burn out. I need to take care of that. No wonder the plants is leaning. Anyway, that bulb, that fixture there only had cool white in it. But I'm going to show you over here what's ideal. Now, these two bulbs are what's called cool white. And they are on one end of the color spectrum. And what we want to do, if you only have one light fixture to grow by, then you've got to mix your bulbs. See the difference in the color? Yeah, maybe you can see the difference right there. Anyway, these bulbs are not the same color when they're used side by side. And ideally, that's what you're looking for if you're setting up some grow lights in the house. If it's going to be like hydroponics, I'm not going to say if somebody was not smoking, but growing something that they didn't want anybody to know about, or it was going to be a permanent indoor plant, then that's what you want. You want your full spectrum lighting. If you're just growing up some seedlings, just sprouting some seeds, it doesn't matter a whole lot. But that right there will definitely get you a full spectrum of light, and your plants will become a lot healthier and grow a lot better. So that's just been a little quick hint from PawPaw of how to get the full spectrum of lighting without spending a whole bunch of money. So you get, if you get 2 of these fixtures, then all you need is 2 pair of bulbs, and you get two bulbs for kitchen, 2 cool whites, and there you go. You're wanting a warm and a cool is what you're after. Okay? Well, that's all I got today, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody.